E aí pessoal, mais um dia de pedal. It's 6:30 in the morning. I'm now heading to Digital Media City Station to start our journey through South Korea. Let's go. If your plan is to ride the whole Incheon and Busan route, we will start from Ara West Sea Lock. Best way to get there is to take subway to Yangpyeong-gun International City Station. From there, it's a small ride up to the starting point for the ride. You might find conflicting information about carrying your bicycle in trains and subways. But a general rule, you can do this during the weekends and the holidays, only using the first and last cars on the train. We are right here in the starting point for the trail. This place is called Ara West Sea Lock. The building there is where you can purchase your passport and start the ride. So this is the first booth. So let's get the first stamp here, the passport. Official distance between Incheon and Busan is 632 kilometers. But a plan with some margin, since you have to stop for lunch or hostels and eventually you get lost. After collecting the first stamp in your passport, you will ride along the Ara River. In this segment, the river will always be on your left. If you have questions, look for river signs and or these blue lines on the pathway. Here we come for the second booth. The second checkpoint is Ara West Sea Lock. When you get there, you will be concluding Ara Waterway and start Yangpyeong-gun pathway. You will keep riding with the river on your left. This larger river is Han River. The third checkpoint is located in Little Island. This is the Seoul Financial District. Third certification booth. Between the third and fourth checkpoints, you have to cross the river. Actually, I lost this point, but it's easy to recognize. As soon as you see a double-level bridge crossing the pathway, this is the right point to cross. And then you have to cross Han River again. Next stepping point will be Gwangnaru Bicycle Park. You will see the BMX tracks on your left, then a couple of convenience stores on your right, and the red booth on your right. And here to the fifth booth station checkpoint. And here is the lunch for today. Nothing better. At this point, you are leaving Seoul and completing the Yangpyeong-gun bicycle path in Seoul. After a couple of sweet bags, you will cross the river again and start Yangpyeong-gun bicycle path, which is to go south along the river.
Very big tunnel for cyclists and pedestrians.
The landscape starts to change. You will see a lot of mountains, and the pathway now is over the old railroad, including a lot of tunnels that now are dedicated for pedestrians and bikers. Pay attention after Yangpyeong-gun station. You should keep south on Yangpyeong-gun pathway. Otherwise, you can go northeast on Yangpyeong-gun pathway and cause delays on your trip. Even though the 7th checkpoint is Yangpyeong Art Museum, you should not get there. If you got to the museum, you should have missed the checkpoint, as I did. Then you have to return and get a stay.
I was looking at the cyclist scout and they did not see the book here. So here we come. Sorry today. Seven checkpoints, 120 kilometers. Now it's just a matter to find the subway station and go home. See you next time.